Good afternoon, everyone. Today's video is a cooperation Valentine's Day tiered tray. It is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, at home with Lisa and Deborah Cabasca Home Living. The co-hosts are Mabel's Table, Debbie Bubbles, Miriam's Creative Corner, Sandy's Home and Garden, and designed by Emma, myself. So come along with me as I show you my tier tray for Valentine's Day. And now I'll tell you a little bit about the tiered trays. The first one over here is a pink point tiered tray. On the bottom, I have added a heart from the Dollar Tree, and I have just set the tiered tray inside the heart. On the tiered tray, I have placed a little bear, several pink flowers, white flowers, and a hand towel. On the second shelf, I have placed acorns, a bow, and a little tree because it is still winter, so I wanted to give it a little bit of a winter look. And I've added this little tree that I purchased from Target's. And what I've done with it, I've added some flowers in it that are pink to match the tiered tray. I also put white flowers around it and little heart cutouts, as you can see, and a pink bow. Very easy to put together. If you got some flowers from the Dollar Tree, get you a little bear from the Dollar Tree, and this little Target tree you can use, or you can even use one of the little houses that you have during the winter and put it in the tiered tray. So this is the first one, and it is a two-tiered tray. The Kiss and Boot sign is also from the Dollar Tree. And of course, you've seen the hearts before. They are from the Dollar Tree. This tier tray is from the Goodwill. And I actually decorated this one a little different. All the flowers you see inside it are from the Dollar Tree, and the hearts also are from the Dollar Tree. I have went in and added candy, which is also from the Dollar Tree. On the second shelf, I have added the Hostess cupcakes, and they do have the little hearts on them, and they were from Kroger's. The heart you see on here is also from the Dollar Tree, and the ribbon I purchased it from the Dollar Tree. I went in and clipped on 4 of the roses, and these are little clips also from the Dollar Tree. In the bottom, I've added the paper hearts, and again, the little clip-on roses and hearts from the Dollar Tree. The bunch of hearts you see here came in a bunch, and they were also from the Dollar Tree. This one too is a very simple tier tray. Anyone can put it together. It's all about going to the Dollar Tree, picking up you some Decor, and just putting it together. And you cannot go wrong with this. You just get your few pieces of candy or cakes of any kind, and just put them in your tier tray, and then you take and add your accessories around. And as you can see, I have added the hearts and the flowers. And this will make a beautiful centerpiece, or you can even set it on your kitchen countertop. This one I did not put candy in because I was going to set this one out, and I don't have to worry about my grandkids getting in it because there's no candy in it. So this one will survive till Valentine's Day. Now the one with the candy, it's probably not going to survive. But I did want to show you two, one with the treats inside and one without the treats. I want to thank the Grace Life DIY Home Decor for inviting me to be a part of this decorator tier tray. I will be leaving her information and all of the hosts and co-hosts who are participating in Decorate a Tier Tray. I want to thank the design family for coming along with me on this Decorate a Tier Tray, because without you, I could not do this. Again, I say thank you. And if you're not a part of our family, I'm gonna ask that you hit that like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell twice so you will be notified of all of my upcoming videos. This is Emma, and I'm gonna be seeing you all in my next video.